Welcome to the Web Analytics course, where we unlock the secrets of interpreting web data to drive business decisions. In this lesson, Interpreting Data and Making Data-Driven Decisions, we will explore core concepts and practical techniques for transforming raw data into actionable insights. You'll see engaging charts, real-life case studies, and live website screenshots. This lesson is designed for aspiring digital marketers who need to master the art of data interpretation to optimize online strategies and improve performance in today's competitive digital landscape. Web analytics is the measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of internet data for understanding and optimizing web usage. In this scene, we define key concepts like page views, bounce rates, and conversion metrics. Imagine these terms as building blocks of digital success. With clear definitions and illustrative diagrams, we break down complex jargon into manageable ideas. Visual charts will help you see how each metric contributes to understanding user behavior. This foundational knowledge is essential for making informed, data-driven decisions in your digital marketing strategies. Interpreting data means transforming numbers into insights that guide business decisions. Here we explore how to read web analytics reports and identify trends, outliers, and correlations. We introduce simple data sets and sample dashboards to illustrate this process. A well-designed diagram will show you the flow from data collection to decision-making. By understanding these steps, you learn to connect the dots between user actions and business outcomes. This scene sets the stage for your journey in mastering analytical thinking to drive successful digital marketing strategies. Imagine a digital marketer named Alex who turns raw web data into game-changing decisions. In this storytelling scene, we follow Alex's journey from confusion over endless numbers to clarity through structured analysis. You'll see how Alex uses charts, diagrams, and real-life case studies to identify trends and adjust strategies. The narrative emphasizes practical problem-solving and the value of understanding each metric's role. Through Alex's experience, you learn that every data point has a story, and interpreting it correctly can transform your approach to digital marketing. Visual aids like charts and diagrams simplify complex data into easily understandable insights. In this scene, we explore various types of visual representations, such as bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts. A sample diagram will illustrate the breakdown of website traffic sources, highlighting key performance indicators. You'll learn how visualizing data can reveal patterns that numbers alone might obscure. These visuals not only enhance comprehension, but also support data-driven storytelling. This approach ensures that every insight you draw from the analytics is both clear and compelling for decision-making. Let's examine a real-life case study from a leading e-commerce website that improved its conversion rate through detailed data analysis. In this scene, we review screenshots of the website's analytics dashboard and data sets showing user behavior. The case study demonstrates how tracking metrics like session duration and click-through rates guided strategic adjustments. By following the journey of this successful online business, you'll see the practical application of data interpretation and decision-making in a competitive market, reinforcing the value of web analytics in driving business growth. This scene highlights the importance of direct website references and screenshots in understanding web performance. We'll display annotated screenshots from popular analytics platforms to explain how to navigate dashboards and interpret visual data representations. You'll see examples of how website layout, design elements, and user navigation paths are captured through analytics. These visuals not only provide context, but also help you relate theoretical concepts to real-world applications. By the end of this scene, you'll be more confident in leveraging website data to assess performance and uncover opportunities for improvement. Data sets form the backbone of any analysis. In this scene, we introduce sample data sets that include metrics like traffic volume, session duration, and conversion rates. We'll discuss how to organize and filter this data to focus on the most critical insights. Visual aids such as tables and simple graphs will demonstrate the relationships among various metrics. This hands-on exploration helps you understand the importance of clean, well-organized data in identifying trends and making strategic decisions. By mastering these fundamentals, you lay the groundwork for more advanced analytical techniques. KPIs are the benchmarks that guide your digital marketing success. Here we define essential KPIs such as bounce rate, average session duration, and conversion rate, explaining their significance in evaluating website performance. Detailed diagrams illustrate how these metrics interact to paint a complete picture of user engagement. Real-life examples and datasets will showcase how monitoring these indicators can pinpoint areas for improvement. With clear definitions and visual examples, this scene ensures you understand which metrics matter most and how to use them to inform effective, data-driven decisions. Traffic analysis is critical for understanding where your visitors come from and how they interact with your website. In this scene, we break down the different traffic sources: organic, direct, referral, and social, using detailed charts and diagrams. A case study featuring a well-known website illustrates how traffic segmentation reveals user behavior patterns. We discuss how to interpret these insights to optimize content and advertising strategies. By diving deep into the numbers, you'll learn to identify the most profitable channels and adjust your digital marketing efforts accordingly. Understanding how visitors convert into customers is at the heart of data-driven marketing. In this scene, we explore conversion funnels and user behavior diagrams to identify where potential customers drop off. Detailed charts will show you how to track and analyze each step of the user journey. A real-life case study will demonstrate how tweaking the funnel led to improved conversions. These visuals not only highlight key performance areas, but also help you understand the critical touch points in the user experience, enabling smarter, evidence-based decision-making. Now that you understand the data, the next step is using it to inform your business strategy. This scene outlines practical strategies for translating analytics into actionable insights. We'll explore frameworks and decision trees illustrated by diagrams and case studies. Learn how to set realistic goals, adjust marketing campaigns, and measure the impact of changes. By integrating theoretical models with real-life examples, you'll discover how data-driven decisions lead to improved user engagement and increased ROI. This approach reinforces the importance of marrying data analysis with strategic thinking. In today's competitive market, advanced analytics techniques can set you apart. This scene introduces methods like segmentation analysis, predictive modeling, and A/B testing. Real-life examples, complete with annotated charts and screenshots, demonstrate how these techniques drive smarter marketing decisions. We also examine how comprehensive data sets provide deeper insights into customer behavior. By the end of this scene, you'll appreciate the power of advanced analytics to forecast trends and optimize digital strategies, enhancing your ability to make informed, impactful business decisions in the dynamic digital landscape. Transitioning from raw data to actionable decisions is a critical skill. In this scene, we illustrate the step-by-step process of data interpretation leading to decision-making. With visual aids, including flowcharts and diagrams, you'll see how analysis translates into strategy. A case study will highlight a business that successfully transformed its data insights into a winning campaign. This narrative reinforces that the ability to decipher data is not just a technical skill, but also a creative process. The journey from numbers to narrative is what empowers digital marketers to drive success. Let's recap the core lessons from this module. We've defined essential web analytics concepts, explored data sets, and visualized key metrics with charts and diagrams. Through engaging stories and real-life case studies, you've learned how to analyze traffic, conversions, and user behavior. We examined advanced techniques and demonstrated how to move from data collection to actionable strategies. This comprehensive review reinforces that understanding and interpreting data is the foundation of making smart, evidence-based decisions in digital marketing. Keep these insights in mind as you advance in your career. In our final scene, we explore the tangible benefits of mastering data interpretation. By applying the skills learned today, you can improve campaign performance, boost conversion rates, and gain a competitive edge in the digital marketplace. Real-world examples have shown that companies making data-driven decisions achieve higher ROI and customer satisfaction. This knowledge not only enhances your technical expertise, but also empowers you to become a strategic leader in digital marketing. Thank you for joining this lesson. Now go out and transform data into decisive business-winning actions.